This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact environment you will use. Install Python 3. 10 or newer, create a virtual environment, and pip install core libs like torch and opencv so code runs reproducibly. Make sure you verify hardware. Test a tiny model on your GPU or set CPU only if needed. Once done, collect an initial dataset of 101,000 labeled images and decide an 80/10/10 split. These steps get you running. They reduce debugging later and force early decisions about scale and compute. You now build the core pipeline. Pick a model architecture that matches accuracy versus latency requirements. MobileNet for edge, ResNet for higher accuracy, transformers for complex scenes. Implement a robust data pipeline. Resize, normalize, and apply augmentation like flips and color jitter so the model generalizes. Once done, use efficient data loaders, tune batch size for memory, enable mixed precision if supported, and log loss plus precision/recall per epoch so you can iterate with real feedback. You finish by validating and preparing the model for release. Run test evaluations, confusion matrix, average precision at multiple EOU thresholds, and inspect failure cases to prioritize fixes. Once satisfied, optimize for deployment, quantize or prune, and export to ONGX or TensorRT for target hardware. If things go wrong, first check labels and for data leakage, then verify overfitting by comparing train versus val curves and adjust the learning rate schedule. These final steps get your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.